Guys, welcome back. This is a little update for week number 2 of using the Yora soap. So basically, here you go. I didn't really leave a lot of description on the last video, so I really wanted to make sure you know that is Ursman grass, enjoyment, flowing and silky. I really do feel like it's cleaning my hair so well. It's making it super shiny, as you can see, and it's also very bouncy. I'm not even using conditioner, which I've never not used conditioner. I'm mainly having highlights. It's really hard to keep it not like fried up, and it's so soft. Like I can run through my fingers through my hair. It's crazy. So this is week number 2. I feel like it's, I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Like if it starts filling in really like spots that I need more hair to grow and just come back. Let's see if that works. For now, I'm in week number 2 and it's actually working really well.